Hello, it's April from April's Home, and today I'm here with a huge Walmart grocery haul for June. I did my normal grocery shopping for the month of June, as well as some stocking up for the upcoming summer season. So this is a really big haul. I'm going to go ahead and start over here with some of my fresh and frozen items. Then I'm going to go ahead and get those put away, and then I'll share with you all of the pantry and non-perishable items. So I tend to stock up on my fresh produce throughout the month. So we don't have a ton of fresh produce, just some Honeycrisp apples, some onions, and some bell peppers for a recipe that I've got coming up. And of course, I always stock up on my veggies, my frozen veggies here. So I have the pepper and onion blend, which I love from Great Value. I got 2 of those. Picked up 2 of the frozen cauliflower and 2 of the broccoli florets and 4 bags of riced cauliflower. And then I got 1 mixed veggie, 1 peas and carrots, and 1 sweet peas. I'm pretty well stocked up on those otherwise. I picked up 2 bags of my favorite hamburgers here, the 80/20 Great Value brand beef burgers. I have a fun recipe video coming out here really soon with 4 different recipes for preparing sheep hamburgers. So I'm looking forward to finishing filming that and getting that posted for you as well. We just love our burgers around here. I also decided to pick up some of the sirloin Philly steak meat here. It's like frozen, ready to go. Some of the peppers will be for this meal here. We won't do that on bread. We'll have it as a Philly steak bowl. And I picked up some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins, and a big 5-pound bag of the boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So that way we're nice and stocked up on chicken. Picked up some regular French fries for my grandkids, some of the deli style seasoned potato wedges, and then 2 bags of our favorite sweet potato fries. I picked up some ham steaks, as well as some diced ham for various recipes, some beef smoked sausage and better cheddar smoked sausage, as well as some stadium brats. Again, just stocking up for the upcoming summer season. I picked up some dino nuggets for the grandkids, as well as a nice big tri-tip here to cook up this week for us. And I also grabbed 3 Totino's pizzas. These are also just on hand for my grandkids, or if one of my kids or husband wants to have these as a quick lunch. I also picked up a couple of brown and served sausages. I usually prefer just traditional sausage, but these cook up so nice and quick. So I got some of the original and a box of the Vermont maple. So I thought those would be nice to have in the freezer. And then in the back here, I picked up some of the Farm Rich breaded mushroom appetizers. I like those as a treat from time to time. Then I needed 4 frozen whip toppings here. This is like the off-brand of Cool Whip here for some recipes I have coming up. I picked up some popsicles for the grandkids, the Freedom Pops with the red, white, and blue. I thought that that would be perfect for summer, as well as fudge pops here. We like those as well. And ice cream bars. My grandkids have really been loving having a little popsicle or an ice cream bar as a dessert. And this week we're expecting some nice high temperatures finally, so I just wanted to be all stocked up for summer weather. I got some lunch items here, some pickle and pimento loaf, and some string cheese. My grandkids requested the orange and white colored ones. They really like these ones best. They actually are they taste just like string cheese, but they like that they have 2 colors in them. Then we got some more Swiss cheese. We love that on our burgers. We go through a ton of shredded cheese, so I picked up a nice big bag of Colby Jack. I like Colby Jack slices on my hamburgers. My husband really loves Swiss. I like Swiss sometimes too, but I also like to switch it up with Colby Jack. I picked up some mozzarella for a recipe, as well as some provolone slices for our Philly steak bowls. And then a 2-pack of salted butter and some Country Crock margarine and 2 of the pizza blend cheeses. I really love these for making grain-free chicken nuggets with ground chicken, and this pizza blend here. We got some of the fully cooked bacon to make breakfast prep really quick and easy, and then I got 2 of the cage-free 18 egg packs. I got a squeezable Daisy sour cream. A lot of us really love our sour cream around here, so I like this squeeze bottle. It makes it easy. And then I picked up some Greek yogurt here, 2 containers of whipped topping, some whipped cream cheese spread, and some cottage cheese, and some heavy whipping cream. So before I move on to my non-perishable items, I'm going to go ahead now and get all of my fresh and frozen foods put away, and then I'll come back and share with you the rest of the grocery haul. I've got all my perishables put away, and here are the rest of the items. We picked up some Nature Valley granola bars. My husband likes to keep these at work. I picked up these Mott's Apple Orchard fruit snacks. I picked these up last time at Winco, and then when I went to buy them again, they didn't have them, so I was worried they were like a temporary item. But then I was really happy to find these at Walmart. So these are apple orchard flavored fruit snacks, and the kids have really enjoyed these. I've brought these to my Sunday school class as well as for my grandkids, and they really love the apple flavor. I tried some as well, and they are really tasty and nice and soft fruit snacks. So I was happy to find those again. I picked up more little snack packs, both for my Sunday school class as well as the grandkids. Some mini chocolate chip cookies, the mini chippers by Great Value brand, as well as a 12-pack of the cheesy whale crackers. We needed jam for recipes, so I got some seedless red raspberry, some cherry preserves, some Great Value orange marmalade that I thought I would try out in my orange marmalade bread because the price was quite a bit less than the Smucker's, but I know I love the Smucker's orange marmalade, so I bought that too. So I'll be sampling the Great Value brand as well. I love buying these little pineapple tidbits. We love to add these to pizzas or to different like stir fries and recipes. We really love pineapple around here, and this is a great serving size for recipes. My husband really loves sweet popcorn, and we've been looking for this Pop Secret caramel popcorn for quite a while, and they were back in stock, so I got him one of those. I picked up some Mrs. Butterworth syrup for when we have a big family breakfast. We needed some sauerkraut, as well as some baby dill pickles. I saw a recipe the other day for basically a dressed up sauerkraut where you add onions and I think bell peppers and some other ingredients to make it a little bit more like a side salad that can still go with like barbecue meals. We love sauerkraut on hot dogs, so I definitely want to give that recipe a try. I picked up some mild, low sodium taco seasoning packets, and then a few bottles of salad dressing to have on hand, some buttermilk ranch, Italian. I'm going to be doing like an Italian vegetable salad, sort of like a twist on the Italian pasta salad, but using all veggies. And I think salami's in that recipe too. But yes, some Thousand Island dressing, just in case I want to do like a take on a Reuben sandwich, but as a salad. And then our favorite Arby's horsey sauce, as well as another favorite here, the chicken dipping sauce. Some yellow mustard, some mayo for all those summer salads. I'll need to get more mayo too, but I figure I'll just buy it one at a time for now until we can get restocked a bit. And then some grated Parmesan cheese. I got 3 different kinds of cereals. I love the Great Value frosted shredded wheat. Bought this a couple months ago and it really tastes very good. The price is wonderful. The box is really big for quite a bit less than the standard brand, and I think it tastes pretty good. I thought that we would try out this limited edition cotton candy cereal. Sometimes we like to have cereal as a little dessert treat. We don't actually eat cereal for breakfast. It's usually like as a little dessert treat. And so we thought since it was a limited time, we would go ahead and try this cotton candy cereal. And then I'm working on a recipe. I actually filmed through the recipe once, but I wasn't sure of my measurements, so I'm going to make it again. It is a twist on a Rice Krispie treat. So I got that, as well as some more marshmallows that you'll see here in a minute, so I can retry that recipe before I get that posted. It was really good, but I think my measurements were just a little bit off. Then I have a bunch of fun summer desserts planned for the different holidays and family dinners. So I needed some cake mixes here. I got an angel food cake mix, a yellow cake mix, 2 classic white cake mixes. We're gonna flavor these up and have some fun with them. Got some lemon jello. I'm making a lemon lasagna for one of the summer desserts. I got some gluten-free golden Oreos for the crust for that lemon lasagna. A couple of us in the family are eating more gluten-free, so I figured I would make that dessert gluten-free. Some of our desserts sometimes are gluten-free and sometimes they're not, and we just make sure to space those out. I picked up some pineapple gelatin to make a dessert with, as well as some grape jello and some cheesecake jello mix. These will all be worked into different desserts. And we picked up some more of our favorite popcorn seasoning. This is the Colonel Seasons Ranch. We love this. We use it all the time. And then we thought we'd try a new one here too, this Orville Redenbacher Cinnabon Cinnamon Roll flavoring here. Sometimes I just want something a little bit sweet, but I'm trying to stay really low sugar throughout the week. And this has 0 calories, so I thought this would be fun to kind of make the popcorn taste a little bit sweeter. I picked up some Sunsweet Ones. These are individually wrapped prunes, and they are absolutely delicious. I really love these. To me, these are like a little wonderful little treat, almost like candy. I think they're really good. So Sunsweet Ones, and then also some raisins for oatmeal raisin cookies, and also just snacking for the grandkids, some barbecue Pringles. I needed some more baking ingredients here, some flour, granulated sugar, and some baking powder, as well as some vegetable oil and brown sugar. Got a container of mandarin oranges, as well as a container of peaches for our cottage cheese. Picked up some whole grain Fig Newtons. I like to keep those on hand, as well as the Hershey Zero Sugar. I mentioned in my last grocery haul that they finally got these back in stock, and I really enjoy these. I actually still have quite a few left from the first bag. I really like to space my sweets out, even my zero sugar treats. But I thought I'd pop this into the pantry because it is nice to have on hand. Then I got my husband the sea salt caramel dark chocolate. He also likes to have some dark chocolate on hand. Here's the marshmallows that I talked about for the Rice Krispie recipe that I'm working on, as well as some full-size marshmallows for roasting and making s'mores. I decided to pick up these cute little cans of Pepsi Cola from their soda shop line made with real sugar. And I just thought that the nice tiny size would be cute. Perhaps we'll have a float or something like that later on in the summer. And then I got 2 graham cracker crusts here for some of those desserts I'm working on. Then our coffee, the Blackbeard's Delight by Black Rifle, and the Mad Science, a coffee by Black Rifle. And then a nice big box of my Irish breakfast tea. I realized my pantry supply was really dwindling, and I have this every single night and sometimes during the day as well. So I definitely need to rebuild my stock there. And then lastly, I picked up a cherry pie filling and a lemon pie filling also for some of my summer desserts. So I'm all stocked up on ingredients for most of my summer desserts that I have planned, as well as stocked up on condiments and little snacky things for the grandkids, as well as all the other odds and ends that I picked up today. So now I'll go ahead and share with you my June meal plan. And here is my June meal plan. On the first, we had hamburger pinwheels and salad. On the second, we had layered nachos and big fat chocolate chip cookies. This is a recipe that I posted a while back. I'll leave a link for it in the description box below. They're very easy chocolate chip cookies to make, and they use a cake mix to make them, and they're really light and fluffy. We love them. Monday the 3rd, we had hamburger patties and a salad. It was just me here for dinner, so just made myself a simple hamburger patty and a salad. On Tuesday the 4th, we had fried chicken from Kentucky Fried Chicken after our big shopping outing. We hadn't had KFC for probably over a year, so it was pretty fun to go out and get some takeout. On Wednesday the 5th, we had tri-tip with baked sweet potatoes and dill pickle chopped salad. On Thursday the 6th, we're having chicken nuggets, gluten-free mac and cheese with veggies. I use the Annie's gluten-free mac and cheese, and I also add some shredded cheese to that, and it makes it taste really delicious. Friday the 7th, we'll have chili burgers and salad. You'll notice a lot of salad here as the weather gets a little warmer. I love to have salad as often as possible. Saturday the 8th, we're having Philly cheesesteak bowls. This was on the menu for last month, but I never got around to making that, so I put it on this month. Sunday the 9th, we'll have a shepherd's pie with broccoli. Monday the 10th, we'll have turkey veggie bowls. On Tuesday the 11th, we'll have Cajun cauliflower rice skillet meal. On Wednesday the 12th, we'll have brats with sauerkraut and sweet potato fries. On Thursday the 13th, we'll have cheeseburger patties with fries and fruit. On Friday the 14th, we'll have ham cauliflower casserole with salad. And on Saturday the 15th, we'll have cauliflower crust pizza with salad. On Sunday the 16th, that is Father's Day, we will have a barbecue with various salads and baked beans. And I'll have to talk to all the fathers and find out what their favorite desserts are. I know some of them like pie and some of them like other things, so I will try to accommodate their favorite dessert choices. Monday the 17th, we'll have leftovers. Tuesday the 18th, we'll have tuna cakes and salad. Wednesday the 19th, we will have steak with a kale salad. Thursday the 20th, we will have a breakfast for dinner with eggs, bacon, and gluten-free pancakes. Friday the 21st, we'll have cheeseburger, cauliflower bake, and veggies. On Saturday the 22nd, we'll have corned beef and cabbage skillet meal. On Sunday the 23rd, we'll have chicken fajitas and fruit salad. Monday the 24th, we'll have leftovers. Tuesday the 25th, we'll have salmon and asparagus with salad. Wednesday the 26th, we'll have an enchilada cauliflower chicken casserole. Thursday the 27th, we'll have fish sticks with veggies and fries. Friday the 28th, we'll have a lemon chicken and salad. Saturday the 29th, we'll have sausage sheet pan dinner. And Sunday the 30th, we will have a picnic lunch with the family with leftovers for dinner. So that is our meal plan for the month of June. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at our Walmart haul as well as hearing our June meal plan. I will be going to a couple of other grocery stores this month and sharing that with you as well. I haven't been to Costco in quite some time, so I'll be headed to Costco, not for a huge grocery shopping trip. We got quite a bit of groceries this time around at Walmart. And also I would like to stop in at Trader Joe's for a few of my favorite Trader Joe's items. So I will be sharing those grocery hauls with you in upcoming videos, and I'll be posting more recipes that I'm excited to share with you. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.